In this brief video, we will show you a few examples of how you can use the Level 2 NASDAQ Quotes in Webull to help you make your buy and sell decisions. If you do not already have your copy of Webull, you can use our affiliate link included in the description box below and get 2 or more free stocks and start using this and the many other useful features of Webull as soon as possible. So since I'm actively watching Tate today, I thought I'd show you how we use the level 2 in Webull to further assess when and where at what price to buy a particular stock. I'm on the trade tab in the browser version of Webull. Again, you can find our affiliate link to get 2 or more free stocks for Webull in the description box below, and I'm looking at Tatron Corporate Components, and we can see on the left here's the bids stacked in the level 2. On the right here's the asks stacked on the level 2. An important thing to note is this is only the level 2 quotes for NASDAQ, and there is a small additional fee to get the subscription to the level 2 to NASDAQ. I think it's like $2 a month to get the level 2 subscription. And again, this is only the NASDAQ quote, so we typically also reference either Thinkorswim or BATS or somewhere else to make a final determination in terms of where are the large buys or sell. But this is a good example where we can see, okay, our kind of tentative price target for Tate is about $4, but we can see, okay, the big buyer is sitting at $3.87, and you can see kind of a very flat graph with the big bids at $3.50, big sells. We can see there's a big seller at $4.10. So again, if we're kind of waiting for it to get down to this $3.88 type level. If we look in the detailed graph, we can also see that $3.88 is the support level. So again, this kind of helps determine, okay, at what price exactly today might we be interested in buying, and that would be probably, given just the information we see, at about $3.88. You want to put your buy above the big block so you get filled before it blocks and bounces off of that large buy. So hope that also all helps. Good luck. Have a great trading day. Since we happen to be watching Air Industries, ticker symbol AIRI, we want to show you another example of how we read the level 2 to determine if and when and at what price we might want to consider buying a stock at a given time, in this case AIRI. Again, we're on the trade tab in Webull, the online browser version of Webull. Again, you can find our affiliate link in the description box below to get 2 or more free stocks in Webull. This level 2 subscription is NASDAQ only quotes, and again, there's a small fee for getting the NASDAQ quote subscription. I think it's about $2 a month, but well worth it in terms of determining at what price and when to buy or sell. So again, we can see the bids on the left and the asks on the right in NASDAQ. Again, this is only the NASDAQ quotes, but we can see at this time the buyers are much fewer than the sellers. We can see there's a much larger wall of sellers than buyers, and we can see the seller or the buyers are very thin, starting at 102, and there's a much larger buyer at 104. So I typically read something that looks like this as a downward pressure, right? There's more sellers than buyers. They're going to tend to push the price down, although it may have looked like it broke the pivot point or the support level. We see the pivots at 101, resistance is at 104. There's downward pressure on this stock. So at this point, you can look at this and say, well, this is not a good time to buy. It's more likely to go down further. We don't see a big buyer at any level, so we don't really know at what price would be a good point to buy. What we want to see is more balance in this graph, and ideally if the buyers overwhelm the sellers, then that's a good time to buy, and a peak would tell us, okay, at what price would we want to buy. In this case, this graph tells us it's going to hit a wall at 110, more likely to bounce down at that point. So again, this is only NASDAQ quotes, so we typically refer to Thinkorswim, level 2 quotes, and or BATS to make additional decisions as to where all the buyers and sellers are, blocks, etc. But this is very helpful. Again, this tells us even though the chart may look like it's trending up, this chart of level 2 tells us, hey, there's downward pressure. It's more likely to go down than up. So we hope this all helps. Let us know in the comments below, and good luck and have a great trading day. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day.